Hey, so if you're anything like me, you wake up really, really ugly. So I'm gonna go through like 3 tips that I like to use to be less ugly every day. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first way to not be ugly is to brush your teeth, all right? Because self-confidence is key. And if your breath smells bad, then you're gonna smell it, right? When your breath smells bad, you smell it. So you're gonna be constantly, oh God, you're gonna be constantly checking it. And when you're constantly checking your breath, you're gonna think other people can smell that breath. So when you get close to somebody, we're like, oh, let me back up a little bit. You don't want that. So we're gonna get rid of that by brushing your teeth. That's first and foremost. Brush your teeth. Okay. Do you need a demo or something? You know what? Let me do a demo. Okay, demo. Yo, so right here I'm pulling out the toothpaste, right? I got the smile and that toothbrush. I'm using the kid's toothbrush. Don't judge me. Just shut up and just watch, okay? You put it in, just like that. You put it in there, you wash it all up, brush it all up, make it look real good, feel real good, taste real good. So that's how you brush your teeth. Circulars, you know what I'm saying? Flicky flackies, got-gotties, stuff like that. So that's the first one, brush your teeth, okay? Okay, so the second way to not be ugly is to wash your face. You gotta wash your face, get the crust off, right? As you can see on my face, there's a lot of crust going on. I just woke up. So I'm gonna use the Lion's Den. That's one of my things that I make. It's like a Net Gold thing. Just like the toothbrush is a Net Gold product. I don't know if you all can see that. Nope, focusing is not working, but whatever. Boom. So Lion's Den, wash my face with it, right? You wash your face with something. You want to make sure you're getting all the nooks and crannies, the dirt and the grime out of your face. And then on top of that, you gotta make sure what you're using has really good ingredients, good ingredients. Like this has a lot of good things. Aloe, cocoa pods, jojoba, Indian castor, sunflower, honey, coconut oil, a whole bunch of good stuff. This is great for washing your face because it really gets rid of all the dirt and grime, right? I guess I should do a demo of that too, right? All right, so. Back at it again with the Lion's Den. Yo, okay, so I put a little bit of my hand right there. Just start to do a rubber dub on the face. Bam, look at that. Ooh, you can already see the dirt coming off right there. I'm gonna be honest with you all, my sink was kind of gross. I think I haven't washed my face in like 4 days. Don't judge me though, judge yourself, okay? So shut up, all right? Don't, bye. Bye. Okay, so yeah, that's how you wash your face the Net Gold way, beautifully, attractively. It's just really easy when you do it my way, because like my way is always the best way. Okay, and then I guess we should go to the third way to do it, right? Bam. Okay, so that's the melanin right there I got in my hands, right? The in shower leave-in conditioner. I posted about a little while ago. So yeah. But you put it all in there. So I like to start out with the beard, because I don't want to run down into my eyes too early. Start out with the beard, start to work it in there. Just like that. Easy stuff. Easy peasy. Lemon artichoke squeezy, right? And then like the style for the camera. That you see what's going on. You see that? Bam. Get the hair going backwards into the. Damn, I'm majestic. Look at that. Oh my, look at that gaze. Look at that. Oh my, I'm hypnotized by myself. I'm so gorgeous. Like, why am I so lucky? Look at me. Damn, what was I talking about again? Man, look, I forgot. Just, damn. Boom, melanin. This is a leave-in shower moisturizer, right? It's an in-shower hair and body moisturizer, and I'm running a little low. But I use it to moisturize my face and my hair in the morning. So after my face is nice and clean, I let my hair get nice and wet, and then I put this all over this area right here, all over this area, to give my face a nice shine, a nice glisten, a nice glow, just, oh my God. Because I need to be beautiful. It's important for me to be beautiful. Yeah. So, yeah, you need to get this for that reason. Like, it's really simple. Being ugly is a mindset. And right now I'm ugly. Excuse me, I'm really ugly, but I'm okay with it. But I'm about to get really beautiful. So let me show you all the final product of my beauty, my gorgeousness, so you can see just the glisten on my face. Yeah. So, do that. And there you go. As you see, that right there is how I became less ugly. Like, as you see, look at this juice and buried up. I'm just dripping, dropping, looking good out here. I just want to take a second and pause. Like, yo, I look homeless. Like, straight up, look at this. Before and after homeless. Yeah, it's that simple. You know, just brush your teeth so that your breath makes a good first impression. You wash your face to get all the dirt and grime off of it from the night before. And then you make sure you do a nice conditioning, a leave-in conditioner, or however you want to do it, to make sure that your hair looks good, your face looks good, and then that way you get that nice shine and nice glow. As you can see, my hair is a little bit white. I like to give a nice little silver fox look to mine. I like to make sure that there's a little extras, because once you go out into to the sun, I want to make sure that when it melts down a little bit, there's a little bit more, just a little bit more protection on my hair. Yeah, but it's that simple. It's really that simple to be beautiful. Just believe it, and make sure you take care of yourself. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and bid you adieu. I have other work to do. I think an order just came in. So, see ya. Yo, so since you decided to hang out to the very end of this video, I'm gonna hook you up with this. All right, you got a toothpaste right here, you got a mouthwash right here, and you have 2 toothbrushes, child size and adult size, if you can see all that goodness there. Boom. So it's gonna be a giveaway. All you have to do literally is below comment why you like Netter Gold, right? 5 words or more. Why you like Netter Gold. And I'll choose the winner. What's today? Let's go with next week, shall we? Next week, I'll choose the winner. So, comment. And again, thank you so much for watching to the end. It really does mean a lot to me. So, ciao.